Mr. Speaker, I rise today to join Mr. Harper as an original co-sponsor to offer legislation to repeal an outdated mandate on auto dealerships across the country. Under current rules, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is required to distribute a hard copy information booklet on vehicle insurance costs to auto dealers. In addition, those auto dealers are then required to keep the booklet on hand and made available to prospective customers. Before coming to Congress, I had the opportunity to represent Bill McBride and Jerry Guerin, two auto dealers located in Plattsburgh, New York. Working alongside the McBride and Guerin teams helped me better understand the automobile retail market and the pressures dealers are under to remain competitive. Today we have a chance to remove a regulation that we can all agree is outdated for the benefit of taxpayers and businesses like those in my congressional district. I believe actions like this make common sense, and I urge more of it. Over the past 21 years, NHTSA has spent hundreds of thousands of dollars distributing this information, much of which is unnecessary for an average customer trying to make an informed decision in the showroom. Recent surveys show that few, if any, customers ask for this information in a given year. In fact, as much as 96% of auto dealers have never once been asked for this information at all. Putting information in the hands of consumers is sensible. For the average American family, buying a car is a major expense. Most people will consider price, safety ratings, and other features, and compare a number of makes and models before making a purchase. However, the data shows that few American families make NHTSA's relative collision insurance cost information booklet a part of that decision-making process. With that in mind, our legislation simply ensures that auto dealers will no longer be required to make this unused information available to their customers at taxpayers' expense. At the same time, the bill allows NHTSA and the Highway Loss Data Institute complete flexibility to make this information available online, which HLDI has said they will do. This is an example of the common sense bipartisanship we need to see more of, working together to reduce outdated, unnecessary, or overly burdensome regulations to the benefit of businesses, families, and taxpayers at large. I thank Mr. Harper for his leadership on this issue and for working with me to get this done for auto dealers across the country. Moreover, I am pleased to have the opportunity to work with my colleagues from both sides of the aisle to help make government work better. I urge a yes vote on this legislation and yield back the balance of my time.
Gentleman yields back his time. Gentlelady from California.
Mr. Speaker, I'd like to yield 5 minutes to the gentleman from Pennsylvania, Mr. Kelly.
Gentleman from Pennsylvania.